Even the best laid plans can unravel at the onset of an epidemic, natural disaster, or even political decision. Today on Crystal Clear Management, I will answer a question I was just asked last week in light of the coronavirus. How does IBP deal with disaster? Welcome to the channel. I'm Crystal.Lee, a principal consultant with Wight, coaching global leaders to achieve business excellence. I've created this channel to share with you what I'm seeing right now, the good and the bad, to help you win big and avoid disastrous mistakes. First of all, on behalf of Wight, our hearts go out to everyone who is impacted by this situation. As we work with companies across many industries, some of which who are providing critical goods and services during this time, we acknowledge the efforts of all of those serving others and helping to improve the outcome. Unfortunately, disasters happen, and when they do, companies that provide products and services for human safety or recovery and rebuilding efforts often see a surge in demand for their critical and sometimes life-saving offerings. And companies that rely on components or raw materials from areas that are impacted can face unprecedented constraint, making it more difficult to get their products into the hands of customers when they need it the most. No matter where on that spectrum you land, supply chain disruptions can create major challenges for your organization that could be felt for years to come. After supporting a number of organizations through similar disasters, one thing has become clear. Businesses with an integrated business planning process deal with disasters differently. Here's how. Number one, they know their limits. Companies running an IBP process are well aware of their true capacity and the true capacity of their suppliers. They know what's possible and they know how to achieve it. Number two, they know their options and the impact of those options. Companies who run an IBP process have thought through possible scenarios. They know what levers to pull, and they know what cost and quality and delivery outcomes will be associated with those options. Number three, they know the plan. Because companies that run an integrated business planning process have thought through the possible what-if scenarios, they know exactly who needs to do what and when and what order to get the best possible outcome. Organizations with IBP have clarity before a disaster strikes. They're able to activate a response without running a fire drill, which gives them the best possible chance of meeting customer needs even in difficult times. Was that helpful? Give me a like, hit subscribe, and click the bell so that you get notified as I share proven tips to help you transform your business, achieve mind-blowing financial results, and dramatically improve the lives of your employees. If you'd like to chat about how I can help you personally achieve business excellence, my contact information is in the description below. This type of transformational leadership is not for the faint of heart, but if you have the guts, I can get you there. See you soon.